You know what's one thing I don't like about road trips? Putting gas. There's not a lot of E85 along the way, so I have to put pump gas. If you live in California, you already know 91 octane here sucks. And unfortunately, it's what we have and what I have to put in this vehicle. The gas pump I was originally at right now didn't even work either. That's the best part. I guarantee you this one's not gonna work either. You see the little light on for the car thing. Usually when that happens, it means it's not gonna work. Let's find out. We just left Shell. I went from 83% or 82% ethanol to 50 already. I don't like this. And it cost $57 to fill this thing up. I don't like pump gas. Get it away from me, please. Tell me what you know about original Tommy's Young Buck. Wait, can you see it? You can see them. There they are. The babies have made it. Move, bitch. The babies have made it. And so did I. We're smacking down at original Tommy's. We got a first timer here.
I don't understand why they're upside down.
What do you mean why?
They're upside down. Look at.
What do
They're
you mean?
both like that.
What's wrong with that? It's original. Duh. We made it to LA. Met some friendly Subaru people who offered me some cash to be able to wash my car. That was nice.
God, he didn't show up like 5 minutes earlier.
Fuck, I know. He showed up like literally as I ran across the street to the liquor store to use the ATM. But my foot hurts. I'm getting a little boo-boo on the back. My foot feels like it has carpet burn, so I'm probably gonna have a blisty in the morning. The drive actually wasn't bad. I feel like it went by hella fast. TBH. Honestly, I feel like it went by faster than when we brought the fucking Tesla to get the fenders. Went by hella quick. But drive really wasn't bad. We're here. It's hot as fuck. It's probably like 80 outside, and it's already, what time is it?
9:12.
Oh, it's 9:12 and it's still like 80 degrees outside. It's supposed to be 98 tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna die. So today's probably my last video. But in all seriousness, apparently Subiefest starts at 9, which means we get there extra early, look at all the stuff we want, and then when it gets hot as balls, we take a break, and then we go back. It's not supposed to get hot till like, I think 2, 3 o'clock maybe. So if we get there at 9, it gives us plenty of time to look around and see shit and find stuff to potentially buy. I have my eyes on a couple things. One of them might be Terpski, I don't know. We might invest in a Terpski. There's nowhere I can put my camera. I'm trying to mukbang this shit, but I can't. Put it on my Sodi. My Sodi tripod. I didn't bring a tripod or anything. I just brought my camera and myself. But it's in the car. I'm gonna go get it. It's fine.
Wait, which one's yours?
I don't know. A double. Because I'm fat.
I can't even. Oh.
Mention me. Oh, someone mentioned me in their story. Ew. Ew. Oh, it was you. All right, dinner's over. Back at the Airbnb, so it's time for the official Subiefest house tour. Now, if you come to the door right here. Nice looking door. You come in. Keep your feet off real quick. Keep your shoes to the side right here because you don't want to wear them anymore. You got the nice bed right there. Oh, I don't know what's that, the queen size bed. You got the closet. You got the dining room / living room. You got the kitchen. And that's really all you got. I'm just fucking around. In reality, you got this. Oh, look at this king shower. Dude, this shower is A1 beautiful. You got a nice throne because that Tommy Burger's already getting to me. You got me. What's up, man? What's up, Doc? What, at this place? Studio, but very cozy. What's wrong?
In here.
It's not even, it's 72 in here. She's like, it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold.
The ground is cold.
Look at that. You got a girl dinner. You got a girl dinner right there. Let me show you a real man's dinner. Right here, baby. Complimentary top ramen. Top ramen because I'm Asian. Oh, I'm JK. I'm like, nah, it's just a joke. I'm not Asian. But you got all this cool stuff. Actually, the lady who owns this house is actually Asian. She's really nice. I think that was her right now. I just met.
I think so. Look like
Yeah,
her.
she was super nice. Yeah, this is the place. All we gotta do is sleep here, get up, And then we go to Subiefest in the morning. I'm ready. My car's washed and clean. Her car's washed and clean. She's freezing her ass off. I'm warm, dude. It's so fucking hot outside still. What?
The wind's blowing like right on the
Oh, okay, look at it. Let me jump up here and blow this. Change that direction. Look at that. Now it's going upwards. But yeah, this place is nice. I'm telling you, the host is nice too. So I'll see everybody in the morning for Subiefest, unless something else comes up, which you never know with us. We made it, mama. We made it to Subiefest 2024.
Dying.
It's fucking hot. I got my bag, got my shirt because I paid for the $45 ticket because I wanted a shirt and a goodie bag. But it is fucking hot out here. Check this out. Subiefest is huge. It extends way the hell down there. So we gotta go explore. I'm gonna put my camera away for now because I'm burning my ass off. If anything interesting pops up,
light now.
Sailor Moon. That's pretty sick. Nice VA STi. Another nice VA STi. Look at this thing. Rotated setup. Hood exit. Beautiful intercooler setup. Look at this polished AMS intake manifold. Jesus. Carbon fenders, we take those. Carbon bumper, we take those. BRZ, we take that. So many beautiful cars. So much. This red color still smacks. It's more burgundy, but it still smacks. That color fucks. See that color fucks. Pink, semi fucks. White fucks. Sparko fucks, 100%. I want a Sparko Evo. ETS front mount, could be you.
Soon.
Damn, Taco, could be you, bro, but you don't want to come. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. 6-pot spot too. Rich. Damn, that could be Swave right there. Look at that. Swave, get some carbon fenders, bro. Need that.
Hopefully he's still here. He can't leave yet, right? I'm gonna have to special delivery.
I'm fucking dead already. So hot.
99 degrees. Usually I'm the one that can't tolerate the heat, and I still can't tolerate the heat. I'm burning my ass off.
Same.
But we got a cool umbrella. Work it, girl.
95 RA. He got that car while he was in the Navy overseas, brought it back, restored it. So he's my pick right here. Beautiful car. Come and tell us a little bit about it. Andrew. Give it up for Andrew. Tell us a little bit about the story of this car. You know, short story.
Okay, so I used to be part of San Diego Subies. Yeah, they're over there. And I was talking to him one day and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna bring a car from Japan. And so I decided to get stationed over there. So I picked orders out in Japan. Spent about a year searching for one, and I finally found it just on Facebook. And I just kind of went out to Yokohama, met the guy, and then bought it. And then drove it around for about 4 years out there. And then in 22, I brought it back. So it was actually at Subiefest of 2022 down in San Bernardino.
Give it up.
And wastegate of your choice. They'll provide you with the right parts to fit your vehicle. The Turbo Smart prize goes to Daisy Arzate.
That's not my name.
Entire Grimspeed JB 400 turbocharger for
Chris.
Martin. Martin's here. Our gift cards, and the first one goes to Jesse Perez.
So many cars. PBS bills.
Jesse Flores. Jesse Flores, are you out there?
We're all on too. Pushing off like a
Jesse Flores going once.
bug eye. Look at this
Jesse
thing.
Flores going twice.
Beautiful bug eye.
Oh, there's Bernie's car.
New name for wet line.
That one.
Oh, that's a little different. Wow, this thing is fucking sick. Type RA.
Karen Vasquez. Got you, Karen. Excellent. Next up from Bilstein, a whole set
that.
of shocks. The Bilstein prize goes to Caitlin Alburo.
Love that. Thing's nice as fuck.
Caitlin Alburo. Caitlin Alburo. We got Caitlin.
Where the caravan camels roam, where you wander among every culture and tongue. It's chaotic, but hey,
It's home.
when the
Y'all see this? Let's get into a quick story time now, shall we? Well, it all started Saturday night? Saturday night at Subiefest. Well, not actually at Subiefest, but while we were out in LA. This all started. I was out getting food, and I decided, you know what? I think I'm gonna do a little pool ski because I just wanna. I'm on pump gas. I want to feel how slow pump gas is right now because I traveled there on pump gas. So, you know, do a little pool ski at nighttime. Nice and not hot, but it's decently warm out there because Subiefest was hot as fuzz balls, which is why I didn't record a lot out there. But when I did said pool, I started getting a bunch of breaking up in the RPM range, mostly towards mid-end, towards, I don't even know why I said mid-end, but like mostly toward the mid-range of the RPM range. And I was like, oh, that's weird. All right, you know, maybe it's just a fluke. I'll try doing a poll again later. Fast forward to the next day. This is, no, actually fast forward to Monday. Yeah, let's fast forward to Monday. I was coming home, stopped real quick, was gonna get back on the freeway, and decided to do another pull. Now, when I do this pull, the same thing happens. So I'm like, huh, it's a little strange. Wonder why that happened again. So what do? Pull out my handy dandy access port, and I start monitoring cylinder roughness. Cylinder roughness in cylinder 2 spikes like crazy in the mid-range when it starts hesitating and farting, basically. If you ever had hesitation before, it feels almost like fuel cut, boost cut. That's what it was. And it's all in cylinder 2. Starts spiking like crazy for roughness. The only thing I touched before I left were the spark plugs and the coil packs to do a compression test. Everything turned out fine. So I get home, swap the plugs. Plugs did not fix it. Swap coil pack from cylinder 2 to cylinder 4. The problem followed. This child right here followed. So we have a dead coil pack. But since I was going to be in there on this side, I just decided to get 2. So we're going to put these on. Coil packs on GDs are very easy. As you saw, it took me a whopping 2 minutes to get the coil packs off. You just pop this off. You get a stubby 12 like this. Stick it down there. 2 bolts, you're off. Same thing with if I was doing the plugs, it would take me another 2 minutes. I would stick the extension and spark plug socket in there, then attach the ratchet, crack them loose, swap them out, good to go. Whoever says spark plugs are hard on Subarus is a crackhead. So easy stuff. But let's put these coil packs on actually and hope for the best. And we are back from our test ride, and you can see no cylinder roughness at all on cylinder 2 this time. One random count every once in a while is actually pretty normal, so if you see one random count pop in like that, it's not a big deal at all. But cylinder 2 is back to 0, cylinder 4 barely got 1 count on the way in, so I think the problem is solved. I hope. I hope. What was that, a Subiefest shirt?
Yes,
Did you
I
go
went,
Subiefest?
by the way.
Wow,
You should've went.
TFTI.
Sorry, as soon as you lose.
2 months ago you would have took me with you. But today
You would have.
you didn't.
You're acting different now. You don't want to come to Subiefest with me?
You didn't invite me. You got an Airbnb by yourself and just left me behind.
All by myself. Where the fuck is my screwdriver?
All crazy, you already in this video from earlier at Subiefest. So not only did I break at Subiefest, someone else broke at Subiefest.
that's what I found when I was digging for shit.
The fuck?
I know. I have no idea where it came from, but it was in my stuff, so it's mine now.
That's what I'm saying. Someone has a dead front O2 sensor.
Yeah.
And it's not me. I just had dead coil packs, which are just about the same price.
Right?
Let's take it off.
Because it wasn't right.
What do you mean?
It wasn't correct.
All right, here she goes. Is she strong enough to crack the O2 sensor loose?
Doubt it. Wait, I want to squirt it.
What? Hey, yo!
With,
You don't need that stuff.
I do!
Wait, don't you
I'm
crack
not
it loose?
strong.
I doubt it.
Exactly.
Come on. Use all your muscles. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Muscles!
It's like not even moving.
Alright. It's Daddy's turn.
Tighten it.
Come on, Snickers.
So I
You got
actually
it.
struggle.
You got it. You got it. Oh, she's so strong. She's so strong. It wasn't this bar that got it
Of
off.
course not.
It was you. Did you unplug it from the top?
No, not yet.
Okay. Unplug it from the top. Look at how strong she is. Oh my god. It was not this bar. Definitely not.
Close enough.
Sounds so good. Oh. Doesn't it feel better in Sport Sharp?
Yeah, I guess.
The throttle response is better in Sport
Yeah.
Sharp, for those of you that don't know.
For sure. I can feel it.
It's Sport Sharp.
It's split.
It's Sport Sharp. You need a black sport mount? Even though it's a little
It's not an actual
wonky.
sport mount.
I know.
It's a phone mount.
It's a little wonky.
But it
That's
happens to fit, so.
that's how my export is too,
works.
though. Yeah, my shit's a little wonky.
It's like double on the back.
Is it really?
See? What the fuck? But then this is only a single, so I kind of
Ah, you right.
just force it in there.
Hey, no means no. Bubba, how am I gonna show everyone what's in the box if you're on the box? Come on, jump off the box. We gotta show them the Grimsby box. Kitty, jump off. And as you can see, we have a Grimsby box. This is how we're ending out this video, alright? It's just a sneak peek of what's to come in a future video. So check this out. While I was at Subiefest, I was on the hunt for something, and they didn't necessarily have it there in stock. Kitty, not again. They didn't have it in stock, but they gave me a coupon code to get 25% off this item. Now, what is in the Grimsby box? Oh my! Oh my, indeed. I'll see you guys soon, and we'll talk more about this in the next video. Goodbye!